Chord spacing between 1 and 2 is A, between 2 and 3 is B, and between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, C. Okay, this is the Darksider by Cetus. Pavel, good friend. I already started it. It's basically, and I'll put a link below, it's my Mad Max 4 Strand setup, and I'm actually using my old jig again because I really want to make this one for me and for work. So that's why if it looks a little dark, it's because it's for me, for work. All right, so let's begin. I already started. Very easy. Your accent chord, you're going to come out through A and C. Everything else is the regular setup for the Mad Max that I have. And, all right. So in this case, I'm going to start with the left again. All right, so I'm going to grab my left chord. I'm going to go underneath the core, out through C, and through the loop on the left. I'm going to grab my accent chord. I'm going to go over, in between the loop that I created, and out through A. Now, this knot, it's not one of those simple pull. You're going to have to actually tighten up a little bit and work it out really slowly. So don't be in a rush, just enjoy it, and it should be pretty cool. So just keep pulling it and tightening and pushing up, and you should be fine. Right, let's do our next one. I'm gonna grab our right chord, gonna go out through A and down through the loop. Now here's the tricky part. You want to keep the loop that way because when you grab your accent chord, you're going to come over and then out through C. So it's going to look something like that. And then tighten up. And guys, trust me, I hate weird knots, but this one looks actually cool, so I said, I'll do it. I hate weird tightening knots. All right, so now we go with the left side. We're gonna go underneath the core, out through C, and down through the loop. Gonna grab our accent chord. We're gonna go over all the chords, out through A, in between all the loop, and pull it out. So what I do is I basically pull it out through C, tighten it up a little bit, and then pull the accent chord. But you're gonna have to work on it and tighten up slowly and push up. Let's do one more. I'm gonna grab our right chord and come out through A, down through the loop. And like I say, we're gonna go over. And remember, very important, go over all the chords and out through C. And then pull slightly, but you're gonna have to work through it. It's not like I tell you. It looks nice. Let's do one more, and grab our left cord, go under the core and out through C, in through the loop, and come with our, our weaving cord. We're going to grab our accent cord now. We're going to go over all the cords on the left side and out through A. And start pulling again. I'm pulling it like this. I'm pulling it out through C just to get it somewhat firm. And then I'll pull the accent cord. But remember, you're going to have to work with it slowly and tighten it up just to make it look good. Okay, now we're going to grab our right weaving cord. We're going to go under and out through A, in through the loop. We're going to go over all the cords here and out through C. I like grabbing all cords. It helps with a tighter pull. Okay, take it to the end and have fun.